In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin user in Smartsheet. Before we get started, make sure you're signed in to your Smartsheet account and that you have the proper permissions to manage users. You'll need to be a system admin or have equivalent access. Otherwise, the options we're going through may not appear for you. Once you're logged in, look toward the lower left corner of your Smartsheet home screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might appear as your initials or a small avatar image. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This is your main access point to account level settings and administration tools. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear with several options related to your account. From this list, select the option called User Management. This will open the User Management page in a new view. The User Management area is where you can see everyone who has access to your Smartsheet plan, along with their roles, such as admin, licensed user, or viewer. Give the page a moment to load and you'll see a table or list of users. Each row represents a different person on your account. To make changes to a specific user, locate their name or email address in this list. Once you've found the admin user you want to remove, move your cursor to the left side of that row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small contextual menu with several actions you can take for that user. Among the options, you should see one labeled Remove. This is the command that removes the selected user from your Smartsheet account. Now click on Remove. Smartsheet may prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to proceed, especially since removing an admin is a significant change. Take a second to double check that you've selected the correct person. When you're sure, confirm the removal. After you confirm, the system will process the change, and that admin user will be removed from your